In this video, you will learn conditional functions, which is SUMIFS function. Conditional functions let you sum, average, count, or get the min or max of a range based on a given condition or criteria you specify, such as, out of all the fruits in the list, how many are apples? Or, how many oranges are the Florida type? Let's start it. Select the fruit cell and go to Data tab. Click on Data Validation. Choose List. For drop-down list, type fruit names. Now repeat the same for the type of fruit cell. Here you can see we have a drop-down list on the fruit cell. Then select the SUMIFS cell type, the conditional function, type equal, and SUMIFS keyword. Select the range which we want to sum. Then select the first range which we want to match. Select the criteria for the first match. Now select the second range which we want to match. Now select the criteria for the second match. That's it, we are done. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos.